Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to use the Gantt chart in Wrike. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to create a Gantt chart and we are going to see how well we can interact with this. So on the left hand side, you're going to go down and we need to go into a project. So I've got project 1 over here. That's in one of my spaces, and you can see I've got right at the top a bunch of different views. Now I've got Gantt chart added in here, and if you right click on it, there's a couple things that you can do with it. You can set this view as the default view, you can copy the link, you can pin this to the sidebar, and a few other options. Now if you don't see this here, quite simply click on this plus icon over here, and here you can see that there is a Gantt chart right over here. Okay, so go ahead and add that in, and then give it a name and set the axis over here. You'll see once you click on this, it'll be highlighted, and this is of course what it will look like. Now, as of recent, Wrike has created a new Gantt chart interaction. So a few of the things that you can see here is that you can collapse this sidebar over here. You can open it up. You can simply add new tasks. You can also add different other items here, so you can customize this menu completely. And then on the right hand side, you can actually hold your cursor down over here and you can actually move this open and closed. You can then also go up. You can see that you can expand this. You can see there's public snapshots. There's an additional menu over here to see what headings are actually displayed, and then quite simply you can go up to the top right and click on try new Gantt chart. Now this is the new view, and basically it just gives some additional information over here. It gives you the ability, as I said earlier on, to move this bar, the sidebar open and closed. You can see over here, and it'll also give you the opportunity to change the size of these columns over here. And there you go. You can now go in, viewing from years, quarters, months, weeks, days, and you can zoom in and out. You can see all of your tasks over here quite simply, and you can interact with them right over here.